Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be looking at Google Classroom with a bit more detail, and we're going to be checking another assignment, this time a multiple choice question. Let's go ahead and check it out. So to go into Google Classroom, you're going to find the app labeled Classroom underneath. Once you click that, let's check these top 3 lines at the left corner, at the very top here. So a bar comes over, and this menu is super helpful. You have your classrooms, which we checked out in our last video. There's also calendar. Let's check that out. It's going to show us when assignments are due. So assignments this year are due at 3:05. So down here at the bottom, I can see I have an assignment due for this class on Friday at 3:05. That's the assignment we're going to do today. Let me click Done to get back to our classroom. We can click this again, and let's look at the to-do list. I really like the to-do list because it lays everything out in a list form. So I can see which assignments are due. And this one right here, I can look over here at the right and see that it's due on Friday at 3:05. And it says, what is your favorite animal? I can click on it here if I want to go right to that assignment. So it's kind of like a cheat sheet to it. I can also go down here to the class that it's a part of, click on that, and then look at all the assignments and find the assignment I need to complete, which is right here at the very top. The question is, what is your favorite animal? Pick one of the following: dog, cat, horse, dolphin, turtle, eagle. It's a hard one for me because I really like horses and dolphins. I'm going to pick horse though, because I think that's my ultimate favorite. Then I'm going to press down here the turn in button, and I must click submit for it to actually be turned in. And I'm done. I can then click back, and to check to make sure that it is done, I can go to my to-do list, and there's nothing there. Double checking and making sure I had it done. Till next time, class, keep being creative.